Hello students, welcome back to Semster Online Learning Classes. I hope you all are doing well. I am Diksha Kesarwani, your English teacher, and today we'll be discussing a very interesting topic which is based on letter writing, that is writing skills. Now many students ask me, ma'am, while writing letters, how we should write the introductory line or how we should start writing the letter. So for them, as I say, that the body of the letter or the first paragraph should include an introduction to the purpose of the letter. So for your convenience, I have shared few lines which you can use while writing letters. So let's begin. First one is letter making a request. When you are writing a letter where you are making a request, so you can use these lines. First one is, could you please send me? Could you please possibly tell us? In addition, I would like to receive. I would appreciate your immediate attention to this matter. Please let me know what action you propose to take. Second one is offering help. When you are offering help to someone, so you can start writing like this. Would you like us to? We would be happy to help. We are quite willing to. Our company will be pleased to. For good news, if you are sharing some good news with other people, so you can start like this. I am delighted to let you know. We are pleased to announce that. You will be pleased to learn that. For bad news, we regret to inform you that. I am afraid it would not be. Unfortunately, we cannot. We are unable to. After careful consideration, we have decided to prefer, or we have decided not to prefer. For complaining, I am writing to express my dissatisfaction with. I am writing to complain about. Please note that goods we ordered on date have not yet arrived. We regret to inform you that our order, now considerably overdue. I would like to query the transport charges which seem usually high. For apologizing. Apologizing means when you are feeling sorry. So how you will start? We are sorry for delay. I regret any inconvenience caused by. I would like to apologize. For prices, it can be, please send us your price list for any tender or something. Next is referring to payment. Our terms to payment are as follows. Enclosing documents. Enclosing documents means when you are attaching the document with your letter. It can be cover letter or something else. So you will find enclosed cover letter. I have successfully attached the file, the photo, the signature, or you can say the PDF, whatever. Closing remarks. Now this was about the introductory. Writing any closing remarks, you can use these lines. That is when you're writing conclusion. So you can write, if we can be of any further assistance, please let us know. If I can help in any way, please do not hesitate to contact me. If you request more information, we hope you can settle this matter to our satisfaction. Thank you for your help. We hope you are happy with this arrangement. Reference to contact. Now, if you are writing a letter to someone and you want to be in touch with that person, so you can use these lines. That is, I look forward to seeing you next week. An early reply would be appreciated. I would appreciate a reply at your earliest convenience. Looking forward to receiving your comments. Now, when you are writing any letter, you should keep these points in mind. That don't use emotions, that is happy, sad, and bad, in professional letters, or you can say while you are writing formal letters. And I'll be giving you some writing tips for formal letters. First one is, be concise and keep to the point. Don't leave out important information. Second one can be, try to keep the letter short so that it fits in a single page. If the letter is long, it would be wise to break it into points. Third one can be, use short sentences instead of long winding sentences, as you are likely to make fewer mistakes in the former case. And be respectful when you write, even if you are writing a letter of complaint. Fourth one can be, do not use abbreviated dates. For example, use month, date, and year. Don't write like this, 20 /4/2020. That is wrong. Lastly, it can be always proofread your letter after writing it. Check for spelling mistakes and grammatical errors. One more thing I would like to share with you people, that is, don't use slang languages when you're writing letter. And remember to always use your best handwriting so that the person who receives your letter can read it without any difficulty. So these were certain, you can say, writing tips when you're writing formal letter as well as informal letters. And I hope these introductory lines and these closing lines will help you in writing letter. So thank you so much.